Hi, I'm Jason Caldwell.
And I'm Cesar Duran. We're hydraulic product line managers at Gates. And today we want to talk to you about the latest addition to our family of crimpers, our newest hydraulic crimper, the GC20 Cortex.
The GC20 with Cortex Intelligence is the first everyday crimper with smart technology. It is the first crimper of its kind on the market today.
This crimper has many features and benefits that make it unique. And all of these features are designed to deliver the assurance of factory quality hydraulic assemblies. Today, we're going to focus on features that deliver this quality assurance for our end users.
So Cesar, you could say that the Guesswork is not included with the GC20 crimper. This crimper's digital calibration procedure streamlines recalibration and virtually removes the risk of user error. What you're left with is the assurance that the hydraulic assembly was made correctly using all the latest crimp specs.